Hey, what's up YouTube? In this video, I'm going to get this 35-gallon gas can ready. This thing is actually made to hold 35 gallons of gasoline. It's by a company called Vevor. Vevor. So I picked this thing up. One of the reasons why I picked this up is good to have something like this around the garage. A small gas can runs out of fuel real quickly, so it's good to have a good amount of fuel safely stored around your farm or your shop in the event that the price of gas jumps. So stay tuned to this video, and I'm going to assemble and just get this thing ready. It's a 35-gallon cans by Vevor that I picked up. So let's get started. This is not a sponsored video. I paid for the Vevor 35-gallon gas caddy out of pocket. I will include a link in the description of the video of where you can pick up the Vevor 35-gallon gas caddy that I'm assembling here in this video. The Vevor gas caddy comes with everything that's included for the assembly. I'm going to use the owner's manual, and you guys can follow along with me as I assemble this gas caddy. On page 4 of the owner's manual, it gives you a complete list of the parts and a feature that comes included with the 35-gallon gas caddy. So the first step is to put the wheel onto the gas caddy, which I've already done. Next, remove the nuts from the bottom of the caddy, attach the foot, then secure using the removed nuts. Assemble the 3-inch universal wheel with the foot brake onto the foot using the MB nuts. Repeat the exact same steps for the opposite side. In this portion of the video, I'm going to work on securing the pump onto the pump pipe. Before screwing the oil pump onto the pump pipe, take the metal round nut that came included in the kit and screw it onto the pump pipe before attaching the fuel pump. The Vevor 35-gallon fuel caddy came included with some fuel safe Teflon tape included. The owner's manual does not state where to wrap the fuel safe Teflon tape, so it's probably a good idea to put the fuel safe Teflon tape around the fuel pipe before attaching the fuel pump. Hand tighten the fuel pump down to the fuel pipe. Ensure that the hand crank is parallel to the side wall of the fuel caddy. Take the round metal nut and twist it back up to the bottom of the fuel pump. This will ensure that the fuel pump is tightened against the fuel pipe. Use channel locks to tighten the metal nut against the fuel pump. Attach the barb fitting to the top of the fuel pump. The owner's manual does not state where to wrap the fuel safe Teflon tape, but it's probably a good idea to wrap the fuel safe Teflon tape around the threads of the barb fitting before securing the barb fitting into the top of the fuel pump. After hand tightening the barb fitting into the top of the fuel pump to prevent cross threading, use a pair of channel locks to tighten down the barb fitting. Next, attach the pump handle to the pump. Use the provided hardware that came in the kit. Hand tighten the nut to prevent cross threading, then tighten with a wrench. Attach the provided wired fuel hose to the top of the barb fitting. Secure it by tightening the hose clamp. Next, attach the plastic dome and fuel measuring gauge to the gas caddy. The owner's manual does not state adding fuel-safe Teflon tape to the threads of the plastic dome. The plastic dome is just a cover that will not come in contact with fuel. Underneath the black cap is a removable strainer. This tank fill inlet can be used to fill the 35-gallon fuel caddy. Using the strainer to fill the fuel caddy is optional. The red ring goes in first. Then the strainer, secure with the black cap. And this will conclude my video on assembling the Vevor 35-gallon gas caddy. Be sure to stay tuned to my channel for my part 2 video as I demonstrate on how to use the pump and make modifications to the fuel hose. If you guys have any questions or any comments, feel free to put it down in the comment section below. If you like this video, be sure to click the like button. And if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you a little bit later out here in the Caliente garage.